All right, traders, welcome back to Talking Charts. This is a quick recap of last week's trading plan and how it played out. So basically, if you go back to our previous videos, um, you will see that I actually had all of these levels marked out. This is the pound JPY, okay? Another time price was above this area, and I was looking for a retracement towards this buy area where I marked possible bias orders to the upside. The reason for this was that this area was choked up with POCs, the point of controls with the volume profile, and also it acted as a support, right? So we had the support area here that was marked out. If you look here at the little box, the little blue box right here, that was also marked out, all right? Knowing that if price is to break above this box and come to this resistance zone, we can get a retracement, which happened, retracement right here, okay? Which actually did happen, came back to this buy area and went back up. All right. I also had this previous VWAP that was marked. If you check the videos, you will see this. I am not making this up. This VWAP area was marked, and I said if price is to hold on this blue line, then look for retracement. So it had a quick dump and it was bought all the way back to the resistance zone. So if you took this trade on the pound JPY, you possibly made about 100 pips, 160 pips on the trade. All right, 98 to 99 and 67. So it is almost 110 pips you made on the trade alone if you only had to mark these areas. All right. So I'm going to be doing a second, or I'm going to be doing another analysis on the pound JPY coming up soon. And you can take a look at that in about an hour or 2 hours. All right. The second one we had is here, USDJPY. As I told you guys last week, the USDJPY is kind of strong. US dollar is strong right now. So price was up here at that time while the making of the video. And I was looking at the sell towards this area, which was marked. Why? We got two POCs that was still on the video on this blue box. And I said, if price retraces to this area, look for buys. And exactly what happened. Price retraced back to this area. All right. And we shoot up. Now, I'm going to be making a second video with this one as well. I'm preparing us for the coming week on the pound, USD pound or USD JPY, right? We have the USDCAD coming up as well. These are just quick recaps. I can't go into the details. If you want to see the details why I had all these areas marked out like this, you can go to my previous videos and you're going to find out exactly why I thought these areas are going to be buy areas or sell areas, okay? Now, another one we had was USDCAD. It played out perfectly as well. I was looking for a retracement towards this area. This blue box was marked out as a consolidation area where price was just moving sideways. All right, I had price moving sideways here like this. And I said if price is to break above this area, above this blue box, that's because there was news coming up, right? I think there was CPI or something like that coming up. So I said I don't trade CPI, but I am looking towards price breaking either downwards from here or upwards. And when the CPI came, price actually went up the resistance zone that was marked on this box of resistance here. I have resistance here and I have support here. They were all marked out, okay? So price actually moved above it from this buy area and retraced back to the box, all right? Same box again and took off right here and came up to our sell zone. This is right here, our sell zone here. And price retraced back to our sell zone, went above it, all right? So maybe it could hit your stop loss, but this trade I didn't take it. So price moved from here, red line, downwards, and from here it shot up. All right, picture perfect. This is not made up. This is something which was already in my plan because I was envisioning this to happen. All right, right now I'm going to do another analysis on where the price can go from here. So sit tight and hold on. We have the third one we have was pound JPY. Sorry, this is the USD pound USD. Pound USD didn't actually played out the way I envisioned it. But what actually worked out with the pound USD is my demand or my supply zone here. Drop, base drop, supply zone, sell short. So price, when those news came up, sold, came back up and sold. Now we are still looking at this demand zone down here, this buy area. If price is to break below below the support, the next option we have is price to come here and retest this resistance, okay? Because now support turn resistance, right? On the 30 minutes, I have this marked up on the 4-hour zone here where I'm looking at price to come down and retest this buy area here. I have the box already marked out. So as you can see this, all right, I'm going to do a detailed analysis on this right now, and I'll post this up before Sunday morning for you guys to get prepared for the upcoming week. So the pound through the week on the 4-hour, 30 minutes, we're seeing a continuous downtrend on the pound, and it looks like a breakout, but still no, we're acting from this support here, which is right here. But I don't think this is going to hold with the pound, given the US dollar is in an uptrend right now. Okay, so that being said, I wanted to hit a like and subscribe. I want to get 100 subscribers before the end of this month, and the first 100 subscribers will be getting free access to my Telegram and my Discord charts, where you'll be getting daily and weekly buy signals, okay, buy and sell signals, basically free of charge. I want to help as many people as I can to learn to understand the charts and to make some money on the forex market, okay? And as I said, if you want me to do any analysis on forex or stocks, crypto, anything you want, I can pull it up for you and get it done absolutely free of charge. All right. And if you want to learn my trading strategy, that will be coming up soon. I'll make trading videos about that so anyone can learn it. Okay. Today, this is a trade I took with a pound. This is a Litecoin. So I took this shit on my coin today. It's not actually marked on my charts, but it's actually here showing me there was a buy area here at 99. So I had the trade from the Litecoin. I think I had a buy from this area here. All right. And I made a short profit. Then it dumped a little bit, took me out on a loss, but I held my position because I was looking at this area here. I held a little bit. This area here is marked with the previous VWAP right here, and also a consolidation and a support turn or resistance turn support, right? So if you look at this, we have a resistance here, turn support. The line, this is the line right here. So I still knew that even this goes down a little bit, I'll still be in profits because we have a good support area here, and price shot up. Now I didn't write this up all the way, okay? I didn't write this up all the way. I did not take my profits up here. I was gonna take a nap, so I couldn't hold the position when I'm sleeping, because crypto works or moves very fast. So basically, I got off around this area here. I got off around here. Why did I get off here? I saw a little bit of a drop, big drop zone here, and I thought maybe we couldn't go above 105. I took my profit and I went to sleep. So if you want me to be doing analysis like this for you, if you want to actually get to know how the stock market works or the forex market works, all you want to do is hit the subscribe button, follow, hit the notification bell, and whenever I have videos like this, you'll be the first to know. As I said, my first 100 followers or subscribers will be getting free access to my Telegram group and my Discord group, where you'll be getting free signals. You can buy and sell signals on the pairs that I follow or the pairs that I trade. So it's talking charts. Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on TradingView under Trading B, and see you in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Bye bye.